So what's going on here?
This is the Americana Cats and Friends. People come out and join us on Fridays here at the Llucky Llama. And we're going to try one of my songs called The Only One Alone, about trying too hard to find someone. Footsteps from Joe's Tavern, midnight shadows on the ground. Last call for Clifford, he's homeward bound. I wasted another Saturday, and it makes a man feel so lonely, believing he's the only one alone. Yes, it makes a man feel so lonely, believing he's the only one alone. In the glow of a naked folk dangling, at first sight, so desperate to find woman to hold him tight, and it makes a man feel so lonely, believing he's the only yapping coyote, too high strung to sit still. We'll never hear the yapping on the distant hill from a female howling at the moon, just like him, facing the night alone, watching the starlight dim, and it makes a man feel so lonely, believing he's the only one alone. Yes, it makes a man feel so lonely, believing he's the only one alone.
Yeah.